Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So here we are. My name is Maria Lyons, and I'm doing this recording out of my home here in Cebu City. So again, I mentioned that in the month of July here in the Philippines, it is Nutrition Month. So it makes total sense that we start talking about nutrition. And why is it so important that we value nutrition? And of course, with Relive Philippines, there is a business that we can do, but we also have to understand the Relive nutrition products. So last Monday, I talked about the core nutrition, the Mighty 3, and why we call it the Mighty 3, because it has all the nutrients that our body needs to rebuild and sustain the health, and it feeds our cells. And I mentioned something about repair. So today, our topic is about repair. So can our bodies rebuild and repair? And the answer to that is absolutely. That's what I love about Relive, because they thought of everything. We've got the nutrition, we've got the repair, we've got products for children, and so much more. So today, our topic will be about the repair, and I love that part because I'll share with you later on, the repair and the rebuilding that it did for David and my family and my mom. So today we'll start off with this one product called Arthefect. Okay, it is again available. Not all 12 countries will have this product, but most of us in the Relive world will have this product now. This product right here, it is a patented formulation. Now, what do I mean about patented? Meaning nobody can copy it. Relive has the copyrights to this product. And why? Because I'll share with you what it has. And it has 21 different herbs, the different components, the nutrients, the ingredients, that what it does is it rebuilds the cartilage and tissue within our joints. So every joint that we have right here, if this was your bone and bone, could be in your fingers, your hands, your arm, anywhere where we have a joint, there's that cartilage right here in the middle, okay, that helps its mobility, and when you're moving around, it helps go along with it. But over time, depending on the physical activity that you do, you could be a sports enthusiast, it could be that your work is in a factory, you're lifting heavy things up and down, you could be going up the stairs every day, so many other physical activities. But what it does over time, it just keeps rubbing together. And when that happens, all of that cartilage and tissue within the joints all wear out. Okay, our body's like a machine. Things fall apart, things wear out, but it can be repaired. So what the Arthefect product has, it has all of that ingredients to help rebuild. It's an anti-inflammatory, and it's also pain reducer. I'll share with you, David, my husband, was dealing with a lot of back problems, and he was going to have back surgery. And we were already, we had a schedule for this back surgery, and what if there was a product that could make the difference for him? And I'm so happy that I came across a lady back in America 20 years ago. Her name is Sandy, and she introduced us to Relive. And David was skeptical. He's tried so many things, and he asked me, what makes you think this is going to work when I've tried so many in the past and nothing has worked? I'm still in so much pain, I can't move, and now it's to the point to where I'm bedridden and I can't get up. So that's why that back surgery was going to happen. But so when he tried taking Relive, he combined it with a Relive Now and the Energize and the Arthefect, and in a matter of 2 weeks, the pain, the discomfort that he had was subsiding. And then right around the 3rd week and 4th week, the pain was no longer there. He was so excited, and we went back to see the doctor. Doctor took an x-ray, and he says, my goodness, I'm seeing a lot of difference from where you were before to where you are today. and David did some, calisthenic movements in his office, and bent over when he couldn't do that, lifted things and bent his knee, and just stretching of the back. And David couldn't do that before without excruciating pain. So what this product has done for him, that went away. And he was back into playing sports again, playing golf again, doing activities that he's missed out, and just living every day without the discomfort. And you can't put a price tag to that. So every day, it's been 20 years now, he has never stopped taking it. And how do you mix it? It's so simple. Just 1 scoop goes in 6 ounces of water. It could be with juice, it could be with your milk, it could be with as a smoothie. Any way you mix it, but of course, our Energize is the best to mix it with, along with the Relive Now, because the Relive Now feeds all the cells, and the Artifact repairs, and then the Energize hydrates the body. So that combination of all of that works wonders in your body. And then my mom, mom, being a devout Catholic, she loved going to church. That was her passion, every day to go to church. And she couldn't kneel, and kneeling on the bench was hurting her too much, and her driving was affected because her fingers were all having a lot of arthritic pain, and that slowed down her driving. And when she started taking the Relive Artifact along with the Relive Now and the Energize, my goodness, mom was so excited, showing me. She came over to the house one day and she says, look at my hands, I can move them. They used to be so stiff, and to bend them would hurt so much. To bend them forward and backward would just hurt so much. But now, she was just so excited and showing me how she can bend her knees, and she feels good about walking and going to church and kneeling on the pew. Wow. And myself, I didn't have any back pain, but I started taking the Artifact because movement is so important, and I love my exercise, walking, brisk walking, some dance aerobics, some Zumba, and I want the best prevention because I don't want to be in pain or having all of that discomfort, and I want to protect my joints. So what Artifact can do for you, again, it's an anti-inflammatory and pain reducer and so much more. And here's another tip. With the cold season, wherever you might be, here in the Philippines, it's rainy season. A lot of us will get cough and colds and sinuses, and of course not me. I've been on Relive for 20 years, but for those of you that haven't, I've tried this one before. When you start having sinuses that are just heavy, and you feel just draining, and you have colds, take a scoop of the Artifact, put it in hot water, just a cup of water, and then half a scoop of Energize. You sip that every 2 hours during the time that you're just feeling so congested. I kid you not. And if you have a cough, again, it's anti-inflammatory. I kid you not, within 24 hours, it's like, wow, where did all that go? It's not here anymore. And it's very safe. A child can take this product. That's how safe it is. Now, let me share a story about Dory, my friend in the US. Her husband, the reason why she joined Relive and she wanted the products for her family was because she kept thinking about her husband, just like me. When I started joining Relive, I was thinking about our loved ones that were in pain. And Steve, her husband, was already in so much pain because of the work that he was doing in a factory, bending up and down, lifting up things, and it was so hard for him to bend, and his knees were in so much pain. He could not even tie his shoelaces. He had to ask his 5-year-old daughter, 7-year-old son to tie his shoelaces every day. But after taking the products in 3 weeks' time, wow, he started doing things again on his own, bending, lifting, tying his shoelace, and now he's just enjoying a very active life. He's back to playing tennis and doing some walking, at our senior years. And that's what Relive can do for us and for you. So yes, the answer is our body can repair. And yes, our body can rebuild as long as you give it the nutrients, the fuel to make all of that work inside our body. That's what Relive is. And just want to tell you that in the US, the medical insurance basically said that the number one claim for any kind of disability is arthritis pain. And like I mentioned, even children, teenagers are getting a lot of arthritic pain. So that's what this product can do, and it is a patented formulation. So we have that here in Relive Philippines, we have it in Malaysia, we have it in Australia, in the US, and in Mexico. So we're very excited about this. So if you know somebody that is dealing with some back pain, any kind of joint pain, tell them about the Artheffect. So the next product we're going to talk about in our repair category is our forever loved Reverse Age. Just the word alone itself, just the name that says Reverse Age, and what it can do when you start taking this. Imagine going back to your youthful years 20 years ago. Whatever it was that you used to feel 20 years ago, imagine all of that coming back in your life today. Now, what I've learned over the years, as I learned about the Reverse Age, and I started taking it since 20 years now. I've been taking the Reverse Age since I started in Relive, and these are the few things that I learned about Reverse Age. At age 30, of course, when we're growing up as a child and growing up to age 30, our pituitary gland inside our body stops working. It kind of falls asleep. It says, okay, I'm done with my job. A pituitary gland is the kind of gland that helps you with your growing up, finishing touches in your development of your body, the inside of your body, all the stuff that it's supposed to do with your height, your youthfulness, your eyesight, your skin, your overall well-being. The pituitary gland has a lot to do with that. But it goes to sleep at age 30 because it's basically saying, I'm done with my job. But what this Reverse Age will do, guys, it wakes up the pituitary gland to say, okay, let's go to work. We still have some work to do, because after age 30, we're now aging. Okay, and it's part of nature. It's how God made our bodies to do. It's part of nature that we are going to age. But why not slow down the aging process? Why not defy aging? Okay, so what does it do? It wakes up the pituitary gland, the hormones inside our body, and saying, okay, wake up, let's go to work. So it starts working on the eyesight to make it better, brighter. A lot of people that have been taking Reverse Age used to have high grade in their eyeglasses. Then when they go see their eye doctor, wow, surprisingly, their grades have been lowered because their vision has gotten better. And skin tone gets taut. What I mean by taut, meaning firm. And you don't have the sagginess right around the arms and your skin, your neck. For women, we love all that. There's a lot of women that go to dermatologists to, help tighten their skin. You don't have to, because what Reverse Age can do for you, it puts your body in a deep sleep, that very deep realm of sleep that our body needs. And sleep is very important in repair. So what I do is I take my Reverse Age 1 scoop in 6 ounces of water. It tastes like a virgin margarita. I mean, it's kind of like your tonic. It's kind of like your, a little happy drink that you do. Has a wonderful lemon lime flavor to it. And put some ice cubes in there if you like it that way. Or just drink it with room temperature water and enjoy it. And then what it's going to do in just a matter of 30 minutes, then it's like your body is now ready to rest. And when you go to sleep, my goodness, it puts your body in deep sleep to where your body now can repair. Because our body needs rest and sleep in order for it to repair. I mean, if you're the kind of person that gets up every 2 hours or maybe every 3 hours because your mind is still working, there's still a lot of things that you haven't finished, then your body is not repairing. Then your body does not get the rest, and rest is very important. Don't kid yourself. I feel so sad for a lot of call center agents because the expected life of a call center agent is about 7 years. And in that 7 years, because of the sleep pattern, for some of you that are working night shift, you know, I respect that because David also worked night shift in his life, in his career. And what it does, it adds on to aging so much faster. But I understand it's your job that you have to do and provide for your family, but do something to combat the effects of no sleep at all. So you can also take this product during the daytime. I know some friends that take it daytime. And even though it doesn't put you in that deep sleep, but it also is doing a lot of repair inside your body. So again, reverse age. Can you imagine going back to 20 years back, the way you used to feel? I'm 63 years old and I love it. It puts my body in a deep sleep, and it has all of the youth hormones, the youth, wonderful ingredients that starts working in the body every night when your body is at deep rest. And I have this friend, Sandy. She's in the US. She was the one who introduced me to Relive 20 years ago. And if you see her, she's 76 years old, but she does not look like she's 76. She looks like she's in her young 60s. She's active. She's playing golf right now in North Carolina. Her son is there celebrating his birthday. So it's that kind of lifestyle that what these products can do for you and for us. So again, for people that are wanting to try reverse age, when you're at that age of 30 and above, I highly encourage it because it is our fountain of youth. So guys, this ends our presentation today about our repair product. And my next segment will be on Friday at 2 p.m. Just catch me here live, and I'll be talking about another wonderful product, which will be our LunaRich X capsules and our children's product, very beloved product right here in the Philippines, and then you'll understand why. So that's it for today. Have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll see you soon.